We get that question asked a lot to us. Do we need different schedules for when we're making these welds? I like to put it this way. If I'm baking different components, if I'm baking biscuits, if I'm baking bread, if I'm making a pie or a cake, would I use a different recipe? Would I use a different ingredients? And the answer would be yes. The very same thing's true with our resistance welding. When we change materials, when we change material thicknesses, it needs to have that recipe that's going to give you the very best weld that you're trying to achieve. It may not be too big of change, and you may find that, yeah, we can do this schedule, this weld schedule, and use it on both of these things. Anytime that you compromise in quality, you're compromising in quality. Look at your materials. What are they made of? How thick are they? They need to be looked at to give them the very best opportunity to give you a quality weld in a production environment. So the answer, yeah, anytime you're changing materials or thicknesses, you should be using a different schedule. That schedule's force, current, and time.